When I say honey, you say jam. Honey,
Jam.
honey,
Jam.
When I say honey, you say
Jam.
Honey,
Jam.
honey,
Jam.
Come out to Honey Jam Saturday, November the 8th at Frank Cullimer Hall. Tell them where the website is, ladies.
HoneyJamBarbados.com.
And where can you get tickets? TicketPal outlet or online at ticketpal.com. Come on out, it's going to be hype. All of these lovely ladies singing different styles of music like hip-hop, jazz, soca, reggae, musical theater, Broadway style. We got everything for you, and we have a great after party.
Yeah.
After the show, there's a
After
Don't miss this show. Don't miss
this